Canoe is ready, or kayak. Kayak is ready, everything's ready. We're gonna quickly check if the fish finder is connected properly. Yeah, turns on. So today's target will be pike mostly, and I have a small rod, light rod for perch as well. We'll see how that goes. So on the water already. Get into the alarm, get into the canal. There's not far away a kind of small, very small, like a pond, like a little lake, just a kind of widening of this canal. Very quiet. Well, as I said, it's fucking late. It's 10 to 12. I'd say they were feeding in the early morning, like 7 o'clock or so, but it is what it is. Chicken nuggets. No fish yet. Fishing for like... Oh, got a fish! Small pikey. Check pike. First one. Oh, fucking landing net somewhere. I kind of thought if I turned the camera on, I just came to this little bay, and I might catch one. Yeah. Pikey, stop, pikey, stop. You're not an eel. You don't have to wrap around. Okay, you don't have to wrap around, man. And little Jackie. Boom boom. Go little Jackie. And she's off. Yeah, the morning so far, very nice. Lovely, so calm. After all these windy days. Yeah, I think the last time I was in summer. This area was covered with the lilies and a lot of weed. Probably was not summer, but maybe late spring or so. It's a lovely place. I just don't go too often here because it's 20 kilometers from my house or something like that. So, you know, when you have a nice river and a lake just beside me, you know, like, why would you go that far then? It's not far, but definitely more further than the lake beside me. And I believe I'm talking a lot and I'm not catching many fish. What do you think? So beautiful there, so wild. And boom boom kaboom, another small lake. Hello, just got out for a little wee and thought I'll do a few casts, and boom, little Jackie, another little Jackie. And again, cast another few times. And here we go. Oh. Come on, stop, pikey. And another, just over a kilo, I'd say. Oh, come on. She's gone. Yeah. Looks like a place full of pike. Lovely, lovely. Boom, got another jack. What the hell? It's wrapped around somehow. Rapala shad. And little jack. There's a fourth pike now already. Swim bye. And that was caught by Rapala shad that I found on barrow trip. Lovely lure. Nicely working in the water. That's a fourth fish now. Oh, it was a bite. It was a bite. I'm fucking in the bushes, fucking hell. No, I hate this shit. Okay, we're out. Okay, let's try it. Cast again. Yeah, there is fish underneath me as well. Got another jack. Actually, I saw it taking the bite to bait. Yeah, lovely. Ah, come on. No, don't do this to me. Just in the lip. Yep. Another jack. Sometimes it's a bit hard to drive the kayak and fish in one at once, but it is what it is. Chicken nugget. Okay, let's try cast one more time here. I saw fish. I see fish again at the bottom. That's where I am.